Hi, my name is Roux. I'm currently studying Web 2 at CTU Training, and with an open day I saw web development is what I want to do. In 2018 I was nominated as the best student in web development across the country, across 15 campuses, and for me hard work really paid off. I live by a quote saying really never give up. I find web development very difficult, but it's my passion, so for me it's a good thing to struggle. In my future I want to be like a back-end programmer and to be successful at that. For me it's my passion, I want to do good at what I'm studying. You also need to be the change you wish to see in the world, and for me that's really something you need to live by, and that motivated me to be the best student in 2018 in web. If I could sum myself up in one word, I would say passionate, because web development is my passion and you always need to go after your passion, and that's my future. I want to make a success of my future, and that's words to live by. Well, what I think makes me unique is a person of who I am. I have my own personality, and my personality defines who I am, and I think I'm really a lovable person. I focus on my academics, that's the most important part. For me, someone who motivated me is my lecturer, Scott. He pushed me through the year, telling you can do more than you think you can do. If I would give advice to anyone, I would say to them, you need to be passionate about your work, you need to work hard, because for you, you work for your future, and your future is upon you. I'm Roux, and I'm a CTU success story, and you can make that happen as well.